Hi there, let's do 6 minus 4 parentheses 6 minus 4. If you move from left to right, you would go 6 minus 4 first. 2 times 6 minus 4. Let's do 6 minus 4. And 2 times 2 is 4. That seems like a pretty nice answer, except that it's not correct because I did not follow the order of operations. Parentheses first. I didn't start with the parentheses. I started with this subtraction here in the front. Exponents multiply and divide in order from left to right. And the last thing you do is add and subtract in order from left to right. And I did it first. So we need to make all of this go away and do it again. This time we'll follow the order of operations. Parentheses. That would be this 6 minus 4. So we have 6 minus 4 times 2. Then we will do the multiplication. Go past the subtraction and go to the back and do the multiplication. And you would have 6 minus 8. And the correct answer is -2. Did you get that?